Okay, so that's 20 is to 5. So this is obviously the dollar amount, and these are the parts. So we want to find out what one part is equal to. So here it'll be divide by 5 to get one part, and here divide by 5 to give the dollar value for that part. So that'll be 4. So that means for every one part there's 4. So if we go back to our original ratio of 2:3, so for a 2:3 ratio, if for 2 parts, for every one part there's 4. So if there's 2, that means 2 times 4 is 8. And for 3, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, and then obviously 8 plus 12 is 20, which gets us back to the original amount. So we know that that is correct. Okay, so let's look at a new problem. So here we have 54 metres, let's say it's 54 metres of rope, and we want to split it up by according to the ratio of 4:5. We know that 4:5 adds up to 9, so there's 9 parts. So 54, it's going to be 54 metres of rope, and it's going to be in 9 parts, okay? So we want to simplify this down to just 1 if we possibly can. So here, 9 divided by 9 is going to give us 1, and on this side, 9 divided by 9 is going to give us 6, okay? What this tells us is that for each one part, there's going to be 6 metres of rope. So we go back to our ratio, and we can see here we have 4, so 4 parts, so 4 times 6 is 24. And for the 5 times 6 is 30. And that's broken up into that. So we've got 24 metres of rope and 30 metres of rope. And 24 plus 30 adds up to 54. Okay, so let's look now at a ratio that has 3 numbers in it, okay? And it really just follows exactly the same process all along. So here we just add all the parts together. So 2 plus 1 plus 3 gives us 6 parts. So 300 kilos, let's say it's 300 kilos of gold, and we're giving it to 3 people according to this ratio. So 300 kilos is to 6 parts, okay? And we want to simplify this. So 6 divided by 6 gives us 1, and 300 divided by 6 gives us 50. Okay, because 6 times 50 is 300. And then for each one part, we're going to get 50. So here I go up to my ratio, and I'm always thinking I'm going to put these numbers underneath my ratio so that they match up perfectly. So here, one part is 50. 3 parts is going to be 150, 3 times 50, and 2 parts is going to be 2 times 50, 100. So there's my division for those particular pieces.